Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.
Alright, guys, we're in Lowe's. So I was walking down, we was looking for this deal here, this tote right here, so we can put some shirts and stuff in it and bring it to the show so y'all can get some nice merchandise. And we happened to walk by and I seen this brace deal right here. I seen a couple of y'all got them in the vehicle. You know, I think this is another option right here. If you don't want to buy like a permanent deal where you bolt it to the ceiling or bolt it to whatever, I think, well, you can still run bolts through the bottom down there, so you'll be good. But I think this is like another option right here if you don't want to go through the you know, thing of ordering. I want to get one custom made. It goes up to 70 inches, 40 inches to 70 inches. So I'm thinking about getting one of these to put up under that TV I got in there. I don't know if it'll fit in the back. Probably won't fit in the back with it.
Yeah. In the back of what?
Oh yeah. Put right back. Yeah, the wheel on it.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, cause that's what's flapping. I think. I don't even think it's the sunroof jumping. I mean, the sunroof does jump, but I think it's more the TV. But I think if I can hold that TV still, it might be all right. See, it's got these little bolts at the bottom, and it. I'll show y'all. It's got like a little ball. So you wanna mount that down. Then it's got it at the top too. I didn't even see that. So you can mount it down. Then you can use this little crank right here to let it up and down. But yeah, just in Lowe's, and I ain't really have nothing else going on, and I just seen this. So you know, you want to check this out, but you can always use to get the Scott Bowman, or there's a bunch of other options. Scott Bowman got some real nice ones. I wouldn't mind having one of them myself. So he must know a lot of other nice products, but if you're on a budget, you get that for $29 right there. So y'all check it out in Lowe's. It'll be in the over by the toe and stuff. So y'all check it out if you're on a budget. That might be one of your best options right there. So y'all be sure to check that out. Y'all be sure to like, subscribe, check use the links down in the video below, and I'll see you back up next.
Right, equipment ain't gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.